Somebody gotta see this.
Miss Netta, spell bath though, because you look like you need one. You look like you need to soak in some salt and vinegar. That look like one of the bullfrog them will cross the road and never make it cross the road. You look like somebody need to stuff you back in your mama make you born again because something not right. You look unfinished.
Miss Netta, you're in as an unidentified species.
First on blood clot foremost, Netta. What species are you? Because you confused and you don't know where you belong. Nothing nice about you to blood clot, Netta. Because you is the true definition of walking cesspool. You blood clot nasty. Because for a moment I could not sit and look in your blood clot face with all of them the lump. They come like when time people make meal porridge and it boil it lumpy in a blood clot. Your face look like you want recon blood clot struck. Blood clot, dumpy blood clot, self look like a curved blood clot.
Ishy looking, Muffadai looking. But see the back of them all three the way I did, looking creature. But fix the face.
Miss Netta look like you boiled the red sashes in Jamaica for too long.
Big fat stinking overweighted blood clot woman, Mr. Netta. Even with blood clot, pork belly look better than blood clot you. You're deforming, decomposing body hole and blood clot move from your so. Why make it all bring a big stinking body hole over blood clot stab over treat it out and make the man them cut up your blood clot and take out the decomposing out of your pussy hole? Huh? Are you is a blood clot mule? Charles fuck you. Me no know how Charles pushing 3-inch cock in your blood clot. Big fat decomposing transmission.
Miss Big Batty Man Necker. And so good. You must can't taste the flavor because blood clot you have too much batty or shit in your mouth so you can't taste the flavor. You look like blood clot career as one time big black puss. Your face favor greater when them use make drops. Your face favor when blood clot drops drop a grung and never shape well. And drops never shape good yet. And Necker to blood clot the way you big black and ugly. Necker, Jamaica no miss you want you nor need you. You coulda keep your big blood clot Batman self over here. You're ugly like, you're ugly. Your favorite career as big black blood clot puss. Go suck your Batman mama. Old and ugly. That's what you look like, big batty boy.
Thing what them call Netta. And I have to say thing because I don't know if it's a boy, girl, man, woman, animal, place or thing. I do not know. Can't forget one day I was scrolling on my For You page and I saw you claiming to cook and that food looks so disgusting. And I can't say it's dog food because dog would not eat that. Are you talking about disgusting? Have you ever taken a good look at yourself? You look like a fucking saucer fish, like a fucking sponge. I want a blood clot hole in your face. Not even Jamaican pot hole and have so much hole in it. Now have so much hole.
They straight unalive this man with their words. I don't even know what that means, but hey. I need to know. Somebody tell me. Hurry up.